Omarchy has been my daily driver for a few months now. Linux is amazing until you ask it to do one normal thing, like editing a video. If I was smart, I would probably get a Mac or stay on Windows. And I really like Omarchy and just Linux in general. I could open a terminal with a quick keybind. I could open multiple screens on one page and it spaces out evenly, and I can close them very quick. And I have a nice little search bar for all my apps. Best video editor. Adobe Premiere Pro. It's recommending an Adobe product. I am already 100% sure this does not work on Linux, and I have to pay a monthly fee for it, which is not what I want to do. So we can just forget about Adobe, plus it's Adobe. So another one is CapCut. I know all the TikTok people use CapCut, and I've used it a few times on Windows and Mac. It's not bad. They've ruined it by limiting the free tier, which is annoying. But once again, it's not available on Linux, so it doesn't even matter. So how about we just try to find the best video editor on Linux? Kdenlive, free and open source video editor. Let's go back and see if there's anything else. DaVinci Resolve. This might be what I go with, and it's available on Omarchy Linux and CentOS. Well, I'm using Omarchy, so hopefully it works. I'm just gonna go ahead and download this, hope for the best. And of course, they need to collect my data for downloading their product. I'm gonna just fill this out, and once you download it, you should see the folder. Looks like there's some installation steps. I doubt they're gonna be helpful, honestly, especially on Omarchy, as I believe it's tailored to other Linux distros, not Arch, unfortunately. As expected, it went terribly, but I found this video, and shout out to this guy. He wrote a script that basically handles everything for you. You kind of just download this, run the script, and everything should work out the box. So shout out to this guy, No Signal. I recommend checking out this video if you're trying to install DaVinci Resolve on Omarchy, because he goes through more in depth on the steps that are required to download DaVinci Resolve on Omarchy. And here's the script that is in the video, the requirements and everything. I would recommend reading through this yourself. Check it for any vulnerabilities, security issues. I did do a search myself and I didn't find any issues, so I was safe running it on my device, but obviously you should check yourself on your own device. And if you're lazy and you don't want to read through this or don't want to figure out how to run this, you could just ask your agent to do it. I mean, whatever you use, Claude, Codex, OpenCode, whatever the hell you use.
I love AI. Do you use AI?
And I did make a few changes to the script that I did want to mention just in case someone else wants to do the same. So I'll show it quickly, but I just changed a few packages in one of the commands. Quick side note, I did get DaVinci Resolve working. However, I found an issue where it was focus locking my screen. Like I couldn't even move my mouse to another monitor or anything like that, which was very annoying. So I took a look and it seemed to be an issue inside of Omarchy, not DaVinci Resolve. And thankfully Omarchy is open source. So I was able to go ahead and open up a PR to address the issue. By the time you're watching this, I don't know if it'll be merged in or not, but if it's not merged in and you want this change on your local configuration, you can just go ahead and feel free to copy the code over to your own configuration and it should fix the problem for you. And if it is merged in, then good for you. You get to skip a step. Hopefully, I should be able to run DaVinci Resolve now. So if you open it up and you see this, that's a good sign. You should be able to run it and the setup is now usable. I can finally use Linux to create my videos. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a like or comment about any questions you may have.